it's a great opportunity for us to do something that's meditative and relaxing and isn't a huge undertaking. Classic Zen gardens were intended to imitate the essence of nature, not its actual appearance, and to serve as an aid to meditation about the true meaning of life. My Zen garden wouldn't be complete if it didn't have flowers or plants. While I've used rocks, I'll also incorporate 2 beautiful succulents. And Crispidia almost seems like flower orbs that could be nestled right down inside the garden. Carefully raking sand or gravel with precision around the placed rocks are the main parts of a Zen garden. Sand raked into round or spiraled or rippled patterns represents the sea. Many kits come with a bamboo drawing pencil, which allows you to creatively draw your own patterns in the sand. Upright or vertical stones can be used to represent trees, while flat horizontal stones represent water. The best part about a Zen garden, it's your own little garden where you can create your own life in bloom.